Hi, this is Antonio Nelson. This is Coney Island Chronicle. Right now I'm at Bald Duck Park. I'm down here at the Nature's Park where you can come out and see leaves, walk your dogs, get acquainted with nature. And right here is the native oak tree. So my objective is to take you through the park in the trail and show you the oak, white oak, the bur oak, the pine oak, and the Sherman oak trees, the leaves. So since we're here, let's get started. Walk with me. As you can see, the trail goes around. You got nature, squirrels, might see a beaver, might see a possum or two out here. You might even see a little deer. And for added features at Bald Duck Park, right here, you can also see they got the toys, they got swings, they got amusement little park for your kids to sit at a little bit and play, swing. You got your sit over here where your tables is at this way for your family, the barbecue. Back down here you got more of the same. There's a lot of these tables and places where you could put you a grill at and you can get comfortable with your family and enjoy a nice day at the park here at Bald Duck Park, Detroit 313. And for the added feature for you, if you want to bring the kid out, you come through in bulk and you go. Okay, I done went through the trail, walked it, showed you a little pieces of it. Came across as best as I can come across as far as the leaves. So I got the white oak here. I got my pin here. Okay. I got my bur oak here. And I got my chamard here. I think this is a good thing to bring your kids to. You know, it's very inquisitive. This is the native oak trees, Bald Duck Park. And I am yours truly, Antonio Nelson. This is Coney Island Chronicle. We'll catch you next time. Peace.